Hello and welcome to ADev Tutorials. Today I am going to show you how to run Python programs in command prompt without the need to type Python keyword. So I have written a simple hello world program and I will open command prompt in the same directory, and you can see it's printing hello world. So how can we do that? Let's see. First we'll need to open command prompt in administrator mode. Run as administrator. Once the command prompt is open, there are two simple commands: assoc.py equal to python and press enter, and second command is ftype python equal to in the first double quotes we will need to write the python executable path. Most probably it will be in C, users, username, app data, local programs, Python, the version of the Python 3.7, python.exe, and we will press enter. Exit the command prompt and we will try to run it again. We will run hello.py and it should work. That's it from today's video. If you like the video, please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you.